Hello, welcome to another edition of our tutorial on PowerPoint. In today's tutorial, our attention will be focusing on design ideas in PowerPoint. Design ideas are actually a design made by the PowerPoint in order to assist you to see design rather than the ones you have in mind on a particular slide. It actually helps to arrange and make it much more professional, and it gives you several ideas to which you could choose from. And suppose you do not feel like using any of it, you can stick to the one in which you have in mind. So design idea is very important. Here is one of the work that have already been done, and I'm going to show you how to apply design idea in this work and make it much more better with much more preferred pattern when it comes to each of the slides. Design idea can be found under home. On your menu bar, look up to the home. After clicking on home, you come to the right side of the ribbon where you have design ideas. Design ideas you can see is here. In our previous tutorial we told you on how to use dictate, and that definitely can be found under the description. So we encourage you subscribe, like, share this video and help many others to come to enjoy this beautiful tutorial. So going down to our tutorial today, design idea is very helpful. So let's see how it works. In this page, this is the introduction page. You can just come to that design idea, click on it. Well, you must remember that to use design idea, your system must be connected to the internet. That means using design idea, our system needs to be connected to the internet. When your system is connected to the internet, the network will be able to search for available design idea for each of the slides of your PowerPoint 2022. So as you can see on the right side of my screen, it did give me several under design ideas. Now let's take a walk into it. Can you see this? So if this is what I like, I can further adjust it. And if I want the writer to be much legible, I can do all this and more. I can actually adjust it either closer or further, anyone I want. If I want to make further adjustment accordingly, I can do that. And if we go further under that same design pattern, you will see others. So I could further make use of any of these. In this one, it's put aligned across each of the paragraphs. So in either of these, I can use as my design idea. So you can see how design idea works. Let's just take another slide for example and see its design idea. Can you see? It's have different design ideas in which we can choose from. So these and many more can be found in PowerPoint 2022. If you have not purchased PowerPoint 2022 365, I will encourage you to do so, as you will discover much more things when it comes to PowerPoint 365 2022. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do, subscribe, like, share this video, and we hope to bring you much more of this beautiful tutorial in our subsequent tutorial. Remain blessed as I come your way in our next tutorial. Bye for now.